it comes to snack packaging, there are many different styles that can be used depending on the type of snack and design presentation. Some common bag styles for snack packaging include: first, standard pouch. This is a popular style for packaging snack foods like chips, popcorn, and dry fruit. The pouch stands upright on stools and it has a resealable zipper for freshness. Second, flat pouch. This is a popular style that can be used for a variety of snacks. It's a simple flat with a resealable zipper, can be printed with custom graphics or designs. Third, central seal bags are also commonly used for snack packaging, such as potato chips and cookies. Thanks for watching. If you want to know more